Your English is good. But these 10 small mistakes are making you sound like a beginner. The good news, they are easy to fix, and we're going to fix all 10 of them right now in the next 6 minutes. Hello and welcome back to English HQ 360. One of the biggest fears for English learners is making mistakes. But let me tell you a secret, every single learner makes the same mistakes. Today, we are going on a mistake hunt. I'm going to show you the 10 most common grammar errors that I see every single day. For each one, I'll show you the mistake, explain why it's a mistake in one simple sentence, and give you the correct version. By the end of this video, you will be able to spot these errors and correct them instantly, making your English sound much more natural and fluent. Alright, let's start the hunt. Mistake number 10, incorrect verb tense. Beginners often say, I have seen that movie yesterday. Why is this wrong? Because when you say a specific past time, like yesterday or last week, you must use the past simple, not the present perfect. The simple fix. Just say, I saw that movie yesterday. Easy. Let's try another. Not she has bought a car last week, but she bought a car last week. Perfect. Moving on. Mistake number 9, double negatives. This one is very common. You might say, I don't have no money. Why is this a mistake? In English, two negatives make a positive. So don't and no cancel each other out, and it sounds like you do have money. The fix, only use one negative word. You can say, I don't have any money, or I have no money. Both are perfect. Okay, mistake number 8, adjective versus adverb. You do a great job on a test, and you say, I did good on the test. Why is this wrong? Good is an adjective, it describes a noun, like a person, place, or thing. But here, you are describing an action, the verb did. To describe a verb, you need an adverb, the correct adverb is well, so you say, I did well on the test. Remember, he is a good singer describes the noun singer. He sings well describes the verb sings. Mistake number 7, confusing your and your. You say you're beautiful. Why is this wrong? Your is possessive, like your book. Your is a contraction of you are. The correct version is you're beautiful. Mistake number 6, confusing there, and there. You say, they're going to the park. Why is this wrong? There is a place. There is possessive. There is they are. The correct version is, they're going to the park. Mistake number 5, preposition errors. You say, I was born on 1995. Why is this wrong? Use in for years and months. Use them for specific days and dates. The correct version is, I was born in 1995. Mistake number 4, incorrect plural nouns. You say, I have two childs. Why is this wrong? Many common nouns have irregular plurals. The correct version is, I have two children. Mistake number 3, uncountable noun errors. You say, can you give me some informations? Why is this wrong? Words like information, advice, and furniture are uncountable. They don't have a plural form. The correct version is, can you give me some information? Mistake number 2, misusing articles. You say, I want to be doctor. Why is this wrong? You need an article before a singular, countable noun like a profession. The correct version is, I want to be a doctor. Mistake number 1, subject-verb agreement. You say, she liked pizza. Why is this wrong? In the present simple, a singular subject like he, she, or it needs a verb with an s. The correct version is, she likes pizza. Okay, you've learned the rules. Now for the real test. I'm going to show you a sentence with a mistake. You have 3 seconds to find it. Ready? My friends is waiting for me. The mistake is. It should be are. My friends are waiting. You have to children's. Children's is not a word. The plural of child is children. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. You are doing great. See, those big grammar mistakes aren't so scary after all. Fixing them is just about learning a few simple patterns, and the more you practice, the more automatic it becomes. If you enjoyed this mistake hunting and want to learn more simple tricks to improve your English fast, make sure you subscribe to English HQ 360 and hit that notification bell. We post new lessons every single week designed to make you a confident English speaker. For your homework today, I have a challenge. Look at the 10 mistakes we covered. Which one is the most difficult for you? Be honest. Tell me in the comments below. Sharing your challenges helps everyone in our community learn together. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. The important thing is to learn from them. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.